Working in Kibera, and we have a school for girls there, what I've learned is that I never took very serious was one of these girls one of the little girl of the age of 10 coming telling me the power of speaking up. Can you just believe, something simple. But as I said, it's not like when I see a strange man following me, yesterday I made noise. Can you believe that? Nobody does these things. Nobody teach people like you have to make noise. So what's happening? They become vulnerable, and these crazy men take advantage because they won't speak.
A lot of times it's not what happens to you, but then what? Do you have a coping mechanism? Do you know who to go to and what the next steps are? Usually what happens is people often feel that they rather keep quiet than actually voice what happened to them because there's shame involved, because they know that there's no consequences.